Mastering English phrases. Understanding. Watch your tempo. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, watch your tempo. This expression isn't just about music. It has broader implications in everyday English. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Watch your tempo originally comes from the world of music, where tempo refers to the speed at which a piece is played. However, in everyday English, this phrase takes on a metaphorical meaning. It's used to advise someone to control their pace or speed in doing something. It could be about talking, working, or even reacting to situations. The key idea here is moderation and awareness of one's pace. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. In a conversation, if someone is speaking too fast, a friend might say, "Hey, watch your tempo. I'm having a hard time keeping up." 2. At work, a manager might tell an employee, "Watch your tempo with this project." It's important to be thorough and not rush through it. 3. In personal situations, when someone reacts too quickly to stressful situations, a friend might advise, "You need to watch your tempo and stay calm." These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing the importance of balance and control in different aspects of life. Here are some tips to remember and use. Watch your tempo. Associate it with balance and control. Practice using it in different contexts. Listen for the phrase in movies, songs, or conversations to understand its usage better. That's all about watch your tempo. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that extends beyond the world of music, offering guidance on maintaining a balanced pace in life. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey. Don't forget to practice, and see you next time with more interesting phrases and expressions.